Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mirza Danis Fatur Rahman, a software engineering student at SMK IDN Boarding School Jonggol, specializing in mobile development and web development. So I'm writing to formally express my profound passion for technology and my unwavering ambition to pursue higher education at Indonesian premier academic institution such as Bandung Institute of Technology. Alright, for everyone, I will explain you about all of my motivation letter in each paragraph. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 the last. So there are 7 paragraph on my motivation letter. Okay, so we continue to the second paragraph for my motivation letter. Alright, everyone, I start my journey into the world of programming was sparked by a fundamental curiosity. How can the digital solution can solve human problems? How can the digital solution bridge the socio-economic gaps into our society? So this inquiry led me to specialize in Flutter multi-platform development. So to improving my technical skills, I'm participate in the Backup Create Upskilling 2025. That's program organized by the Ministry of Ministry of Tourism and Creative Economy. So in bahasa is Kementerian Kemenparekraf. Alright, and this also organized also by digital course in Indonesia, or the famous course or the good course in Indonesia is decoding. So through this intensive bootcamp, I mastered the art of building seamless high performance applications and successfully delivered a last capstone project that challenged my critical thinking and problem solving capabilities. So it's not just the technical skills, so I also learn about the soft skill, and also it's improve my soft skill, like how to being a productive person. So I learn from that, so that this program can upgrade or improve myself. Alright, so that's the explanation for the second paragraph. So we continue to the third paragraph. So while I'm joining that program or many programs, so I believe that a truly impactful developer must be a system thinker beyond mobile application. So I have actively expanded my horizon into cloud computing or AWS and web developments. So this my experience integrating complex tools such as I have learned about WhatsApp API that integrate to the tools. The name is n8n, also with into efficiency and unfined system. Oh yeah, so I also learn about WhatsApp API with automation platform. Name is n8n, so has taught me how to synchronize this technology into efficiency. So I'm also learn about web. I'm also being a role of web development trainers that allow me to refine my leadership and communication to others people. So that's also proving I cannot only execute technical tasks but also mentor others and simple complex concept. So uh, that's the explanation for the third paragraph. So, however, the technical province is only one part of the equations. I aspire to study at world-class university to gain the technology deep and research experience necessary to become a leader in the tech industry. So I'm driven by a vision to engineer software students that address in Indonesian most present challenges, especially in accessible quality education and advance my financial inclusion through technology. So I have a good motto for my life, guided by the motto learning by doing. Alright, so my theme at SMK student is not a long time. So my theme at SMK IDN has installed in me to a discipline and commitment to community building. I have transitioned from a career student, when I'm joining when I'm first or my interest to join IDN, I'm a career student to a practitioner capable of building real-world digital infrastructure. So a long time in IDN, it's already run around 5 years I'm in IDN. So I know for prepare to the next priority journey. So in IDN, I bring my practical expertise in Flutter and also the other experience like web development or AI automation like NAKN and also WhatsApp API. So, and my relentless work ethic to your extra academic environments. So, everyone, that all of my motivation later. Alright, so this is all my motivation letter for entering the hardest university in Indonesia. The name is Bandung Institute of Technology. So everyone, if you look in this television, I have visit to the university a few months in December, especially with my friend for joining open house Bandung in ITB. So there I get I get many information how to being the student in this university, how to graduate from this university, because everyone say to enter in this university is difficult and also for a graduate is difficult. Okay, so everyone, I think that's all of my motivation letter. So before I close my presentation about motivation letter, I want to read the profile of Bandung Institute Technology, but I will read the historical of Bandung Institute Technology because I don't memorize about the profile of ITB. So the historical anchor from 1920 until present. So ITB isn't just a university, it's a monument to Indonesian intellectual history. So established by the Dutch in 1920 as a technics hogeschool. Okay, so before this university get the name ITB, so for the first name is Technisch Hogeschool. That's the name by Netherlands. It was the first technical higher education institution in Dutch East Indies. The campus itself is an exterior made for the iconic West Hall and the east hall feature massive wooden structure and tiered roof that blend Sumatran with European structural engineering. When you walk to the Ganesha campus, you are walking the same path as Sukarno, the father of Indonesian independence, and B.J. Habibie, the nation's third president and award-renowned aerospace engineer. Alright, so for the academic Overhead Tower in ITB is known for being academical grueling. The curriculum is designed to be instead fostering a survival of the fifth mentality that produces highly resilient graduates. So every freshman must go through the common preparation level regardless of your major. So you spend your first year mastering advanced calculus, physics, and chemistry. So this ensures a standard by high-level science foundation to every student. The powerhouse schools is TA, Information and Electrical, the most competitive faculty. So everyone wanted to enter this faculty. It's the famous faculty in this university. Okay, so for the research and innovation and national impact, ITB serves as the R&D lab for the Indonesian government. If there is a massive infrastructure project or a shift in national energy, well, ITB professors are almost certainly behind the blueprints green energy. Okay, so I think that's all for the ITB profile that I have explained before. So I think that's all for my presentation about my plan to entering this university and my motivation letter for join being a student of this university. I hope I can join this university around 1 year left or in 2027. Okay, maybe that's all for my presentation about my motivation letter. Thank you very much for everyone who was watching until the end. I'm Mirza. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.